of Bristol, and just that these kind of graphs can bring about. I mean, obviously this local multiplier effect is measured by following traders after traders after traders, how they spend their money. And they collected this data and they produced two different graphs, and this is the kind of the graph when you have this neutral money, when the money just goes out after the second trading to the wider economy. This is where when you keep the money inside, so just to explain. And obviously this kind of stuff, by measuring different transactions, then create this idea of logarithm, because obviously in the measurement you also have this definition of, okay, this is an inside trader, outside trader, and then these devices, both the list and the graph, then create a map later, and these map then again creates some kind of affects the people's consumption behavior. But obviously this is just a consumption level. There is a lot of stuff going on business to business, but we didn't manage to look into that.
Yeah.
No, that was. I mean, there are some arguments as well. For money acts not just as a means, but also in X knowledge, and therefore changing the currency also affects our knowledge about the economy, and obviously for the economy. And then what type of knowledge money creates is pretty much depends on a lot of very, very tiny things. So it's not like, okay, we have community currency and we have to build the issue, but it's pretty much. So I would really emphasize that looking into this very tiny details sometimes, because I mean, even obviously we're talking about that, but it's based on the Google Maps, which comes from somewhere, and it creates a very, very particular type of space about the economy. And then obviously if you use it, then you have to accept this kind of space. And finally, just looking at maturity and knowledge can maybe tell something about this economy. Yeah, thank you very much.
Questions? Not so many.
Well, I can ask later.
You have one urgent one? Okay, very kind. Thank you for your assistance. So the next turn is to Noyoszath, who is, I think, the person with the longest